YouTube, what's cracking with y'all, man? It's your fifth favorite OG, Magic TV. We haven't done a video like this in a while, so we're back to it. You know what I'm saying? Like I do all the time. Let me go ahead and get this off the screen, but hopefully everybody's doing well. So today we are checking out. Damn, I'm sorry, I forgot this. I forgot this man's name, man. But he's doing the most spiciest chickens sandwiches. You know what I mean? This is Howlin' Rays, as you can see. So, first off, let me just say I'm a fan of spicy food. You know what I'm saying? I'm a huge fan of spicy food. You know, we got this Nashville hot place out here in Sacramento that I'm thinking about going and trying. You know what I mean? You know, I've had their mild, but I haven't had their Inferno. So I think that's the next thing I'm gonna do is go and get their Inferno chicken sandwich. But man, we'll talk about that a little bit later, man. But now let's get into this video, cause I'm curious to see a world eating champion that there I do know about him and how he adapts to heat. But without further ado, let's get into it. Damn. All that? When you gotta sign a waiver, you know that you in for a lot. For a lot. When you gotta sign a waiver, you gotta sign your life away. I don't know, but let's see. Let's see. That's death. That is death. All right, here we go. Here we go. Look good though. It look good. Processing, processing. I need to go to Vegas just to crunch yourself. Man, I'm hungry now, man. I'm hungry now. All right, we get the hot. We get the hot. A little water. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. If that is the hot, oh Lord, I can only imagine what the hottest one is though. Cause if that one is spicy to him, man, I can only imagine, man. Let's get back into it. He's already shaking. Shut up, phone. I can only imagine what he's going through. When you gotta jump in place, gotta do a little jogging, man. You know you're going through it. You going through it. Round 2, huh? Okay. Damn, it took 2 rounds, huh? Look how dark it is. All right, my brother, I believe in you. I believe in you. X hot. The X hot. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm sorry, y'all. When a chicken sandwich is so spicy that it brings tears to your eyes, I think you reach your limit. Because I know for a fact if I go down to the chicken spot that I plan on going down to very soon, and I get tears running down my eyes, I think I'm done. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna try to fight through it. I'm not doing that at all. I'm just gonna be done. I'm gonna throw that shit away. You know what I'm saying? But back to it. This man is out here crying. Look how dark it is. Man, you need milk, ice cream, mocha. You need all that. I don't like this. Quit. Quit. I'm impressed. I'm impressed though, but I'm not doing it. Just quit. You don't have to eat the whole damn thing, man. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I would rather enter a contest and eat 100 glizzies than one of those. Just being honest with you. Just being honest. Look at that man's face. That man is like a zombie. No, bruh. No. Fuck. Absolutely not. Hell no. Alright. So let me know. Which sandwich would you stop at? I think I'm gonna stop at the hot. The hot had this brother shaking. That's it. That's my limit. I don't need to go beyond that. I don't need to go that extreme for a chicken sandwich. And I applied this dude right here. You know what I'm saying? He fought through it. He's a soldier. But I can't do it. I cannot do it though. But hey man, this is Fifth Favorite OG Magic TV. Like, share, subscribe. I got more videos, more shorts coming. But until next time, man. Deuces.